So yesterday we have seen editors like VI editor, VIM editor. There was one more kind of editor, that is nano editor. Okay. So here I'll write, or you can use nano editor. So same type of editor. This is also like advanced one. Here, uh, just two things you need to know. So control plus O, that will be for saving in nano editor. So if you want to save anything, you want to update anything, for saving, control plus O will be used. And control plus X, this will be used for to exit. I think nano editor will not be here. Let's see. Nano dot bash rc. Yeah, nano editor is there. You can see the difference in VI editor or VIM editor in nano editor. So in VI editor, it's not like that. You will not get these options at the below. You will not get options. So if you press Control X over here, so I press Control button and X button, it will exit the nano editor. Okay. VI editor was bash rc. See, this was simple VI editor. At the below, you will not get any options directly. Here, if you press colon and you will set the numbers, SCNU, so it will set the numbers for you. This was the VI editor here. Earlier, this function was in the VIM editor. I think they updated the VI editor also. Now you get this function in VI editor also. So this is VI editor. If you press colon and say SE no numbers, NONU, it will remove the numbers. Then colon Q means quit, enter, it will get out. VIM editor, this is a VIM editor. Here also you can set numbers. And then we have seen the nano one. Okay. So this is the nano one. Slight difference in the, you can say, UI of this nano editor. I'll not edit this file, bash rc. Okay. So whatever file you want to edit, you can edit using nano editor also. Directly go press I, go to the insert mode, and you can edit. Then here you will not press escape, or after pressing escape, what you will do? You will, for saving, you will do Control O. And for exiting, you will press Control and X. You will be exited from the nano editor. So these are kinds of editors like VI editor, VIM editor, and nano editor, all in the notepad. Okay. VI editor or VIM editor or nano editor. Okay.
I think we can use Control plus S for saving as well.
Yes, control pass as also.
Okay.
Control O or Control S, saving editor.
Pardon?
Control O or Control S.
Both.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is nano editor. This is yeah, right. So these are all about editor. I will go to the next topic. So
Whether we have to install the Vim editor before we start this command, right?
in Ubuntu, by default, like whatever machine we have, in that by default we have nano
Okay.
editor and VIM editor. If somewhere you won't have, then you can perform that install operation. Okay. To print a line, or you can say to display a text. What command? Anyone who use Linux?
We can use or cat also.
Using cat, you will display like a file. Okay.
Yeah.
It will display whole file. So there are no restrictions. Okay. Using this, you can display the characters or the line, whatever you want.
Okay.
So echo command. I want to display any, so you are writing any script, then you want to display something like you use C language or something when you have learned like printf and all you have used, right? For displaying anything over there. Similarly, you can use echo here. So for example, you can use like echo hello world. Okay, like this. Next command we have seen many times, so I'll just write it down. Want to display file in a console. Cat command. We have seen, right? Cat dot bash rc. Now inside the editor, we have seen that we can display the numbers. We can set the numbering using colon set numbers, SENU. How you will display in console? How you will display in console? how we will display in console. So if you want to display line numbers along with file, so cat -n dot bash rc. This is just an example. Okay, either I write this wait. Now you can see the difference here when we are performing this vi dot bash rc. Inside this you can display, set the numbers, set the numbering. But how, like if I want to display the same in the console. So in the console, if I do a cat dot bash rc, it will just display the file in the console only. I don't have to go inside the editor. But how to display the numbers here? Like cat -n dot bash rc. Can you see the numbers? Right?
It's only read only, right?
And this is in the console only, displaying in the console.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Can do nothing here. There's one more catch here. If I want to display the first lines, first 10 lines, say, how I'll do that? First 10,
WC minus L.
pardon?
We can do head command.
Yes, correct. So head and dot bash rc. Can you see the first 10 lines? Okay. So if you go up, you can see these are first 10 lines here. This 1 to 10. Starting from this bash rc till ESAC. Here they have displayed these first 10 lines. So using head command, you can display first 10 lines. What if I want to display first 20 lines?
-20.
Head -n then 20. -20, how it will take? How it will, what it will refer from where? So -n and then 20. Okay. -20, like the it will not take the command. Okay. So -n, first what it will take, -n means all the lines. From there it will take first 20 lines. What if I want to display last 10 lines?
Tail command.
Tail.
Okay. Last 10 lines. Okay. Last 20 lines, same thing. Tail -n 20 bash rc. Last 20 lines. All these commands. Okay. So display first and display last. So I'll write here if want to display first 10 lines. So file name first 20 lines add hyphen and 20 and then file name. Okay. Similar if we want to do it here, if want to display last 10 lines, so tail last 20 lines tail. Updated lines in a file to display updated lines in a file. And that to updated 10 lines. So tail -f file name. What if I want to terminate any running process?
Control C.
Control C. If some process is running continuously and you want to terminate it, then Control C. If you want to suspend the process, suspend the running process. Control Z. chown command I have told already. Change owner.
Not
Change
Yes,
group.
yes.
Okay. Change owner, change group, change user. Okay. Hmm. So in the change owner also, there's one more command to add here, like if want to change the for all the files inside the directory. So same thing will be there. Now I'm again telling that wherever I am writing hash means root user. Okay. So chown, then -r. R means recursive. Okay, R means recursive. I want to change the user to the root user. So I'll type root and whatever directory. So if the directory is in the current path, then you can write the current directory name. If directory is in some absolute path, you can give that name. Okay. So I'm assuming I'm in the current path. Okay. So current path I am having directory called Devops. Okay. Right, Devops. Or I'll write here directory name. Is done. Now to change the owner and group at the same time. And group at the same time. So it will be like this hash own so as of now, like it's you can say if there was some I want to change the group and user as well. So you can give the name of the user, then colon, and you can give the name of the group, then again close it, and whatever the directory or the file name. Directory name or either file name. Example is like this. Say user can be root, group can be root, and directory or file name. Say there is a directory name. The directory is Devops, or either it can be a file name. Right? Be file name devops.txt. Please be in mute. Now, if I want to change user and group for all the files, you want to change user and group for all the files inside the directory. What you can use is here is hyphen r. Here you can use hyphen r. So it will do recursive reaction. Okay, means all the files. So this is done here. So we are displaying file first 10 lines, last 10 lines. What if I want to display a single line? What command will use?
Cat and grep.
Specific line number. Pardon?
Then we can do cat and grep.
Cat and grep. Okay.
Yeah.
Anyone specific? Any command specific command for this? Very much used. This command is very much used and may be asked in interviews also.
Control G,
No,
Control G, Control F.
no. So this is SED, stream editor. SED command. Okay. So this you can know call as a stream editor. This is a very popular command, stream editor. So if I want to display some line in a file, like SCD, I'll do -n, and then say I want to display some line number 40. So I'll do 40 T Okay, and whatever the file name, whatever the file name. $40 p, and say the file name we have dot bash rc. Okay. So you can display the specific line number. Grep is also the option, but sed is a direct command for that, and this is very popular command. It will display the line number 40.
What does P stand for? 40p.
Pardon?
In this SED command,
Mhm.
you mentioned 40p. What does P stand for?
So P is I think it is for see if I display only 40, so it will display all the 40 lines. But if I want to pick some line, okay, so I want to write I have to write it 40p like this. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. So let's see that command, cat command, and then grep. Okay, someone said cat -n and then the file name, so it was dot bash rc. Okay, now someone said that we can use grep, so we can use this pipeline editor. Okay, this is a pipeline. So pipeline editor is for like you can have the result of first command into the second command. Okay, so cat -n dot bash rc is the first command. We'll have the result. It will be used using a pipeline editor to the second command. Now, what is the second command? I want the line number 40 here. So say I can write grep. Now there's a grep command means if I want to get some process out of all the processes and all, so like grep command is used. Okay, or I want to grab some, I want to take some line or some character or some word, so we can have grep command. Okay, and grep is also used for like taking the result of the first command. Mainly it is used for taking the result of the first command, grep. Okay, so let's see, I have to display line number 40. Let's see this works or not. Let's see the line number 40 here. Hmm. It's a line number 40. X term color. Okay. It is displaying the result. Okay. Same command. But if I don't want to use the graph, then I can use a CD. Direct command as a direct command. $40p and then dot bash rc. Okay. Now, what if I want to display some number of lines? Now, will this work? How I can do this? Say I want to display line number 40 and 41. What I can write? 40 comma 41. Can I write this?
No, it will not work.
Huh?
No.
Not working, right? So
No, sir, it won't work.
yes. So what I can do? What I can do? Let's see. Is it displaying 40 and 41? Hello?
Yeah, 40 it does. What was the line?
See, 40th line is xterm, color and all. 41st line is ESAC.
Okay, then yeah, it's working.
Yeah. So using grep command in with cat, you cannot display multiple lines. Okay, only single line you can display. But using SED command, stream editor, because stream editor works in multiple ways. Okay, you can take a number of you can say outputs from the stream editor command. So that's why stream editor is more popular than the cat command. Okay, cat command has limited functionalities, while stream editor has more functionalities than cat command. That's why.
Got it, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So there are more functionalities in stream editor. I'll show you. Okay. So say for example, we create a file like touch.
Yeah, I have used it mainly for updating, file configuration in some servers. I have SED command.
So I created a file called Pankaj. Now let's open vi pankaj.txt. Let's click on insert mode, write some lines over here. Like
Hello world.
no, say red is a color. And you can write red indicates danger. Second line you can write red is a bright color. Third line you can write anything. Red. Like this. Okay. Just pressing escape colon WQ exit. If I do like this, Pankaj, see, red is a color, red indicates danger, then red is a, sorry, I've written read. Okay. So red is a bright color, red, 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 red.
Red.
Yes. Now, what if I want to replace red with blue?
Color will change.
No, not the color. Means word red, I want to replace it blue with blue. So That's what we can use as stream editor over there.
Yeah, actually.
Okay, so stream editor has very a quite number of uses. It's more advantageous over the cat command. Okay, so stream, and you can give like this stream editor. Inside that, you have to change some string, so you have to give s over here. Now what string you have to change? I want to change the red, and I want to replace it with blue. Okay, I want to replace it with blue. I close it, and then in which file I have to do? In which file I have to do? Pankaj, right? Pankaj.txt. Can you see? Blue is a color. Blue is red, red, blue, blue, right? So if you see here, it has done only first, whatever the word, red word,
Only first instance.
only first instance. It has done only for first instance. What if I want to do it all?
Replace all.
I want to do it for all. How I can do that?
Like, would you have to use the wildcard character like star or asterisk or something between
You have to use
slash?
find and replace.
Control H, Control R, maybe all for all. Control A, maybe not Control or Alt A. I don't remember exactly.
Can you see now?
Okay, G.
Yeah. So when I used a G over there, means all the group of words which are written as red are turned into blue. Got it? Yes.
So G as a group.
Pardon?
G as a group.
All the group of words, not the group. All the group of words means all the words inside the file.
Yeah.
Same type of, like red. Now let's see cat -n Pankaj. Now again there is a catch here.
Mhm.
File is not saved, it just displayed, right?
Yeah.
What if I want to save the file? I want to update the file and save it. So same command, same command. Now the file is saved. Now if you do cat, see, now the file is saved. Earlier the file
Mhm.
was not saved. So for saving the file, you have to use -i.
Mhm.
Now if you want to, let's write this also first and then we'll move ahead. Okay, -n -c and display. Multiple. So we can give it like this. change a string or cd s, and I'll write here whatever word you want to change. Okay, so specific word, I'm not saying any word. File name. So I write the example. There is a word called red. I want to replace it with blue. And there's
G, sir. Last G
I-
also.
pankaj.txt, for example. Above command will only display or display the change in the first instance. To display change all the I'll not write instance, I'll write occurrence. We'll change in all the occurrences. Is the spelling right, or please correct me if the spelling is wrong of the occurrence. I don't remember the spelling.
I think it's okay. Occurrence.
Okay. So means first occurrence of the red word will be changed from the above command now to display all the occurrences. Put a G over here. Above command will only display the change and not save the file. saving the file below command. So use a hyphen I over here.
-I.
Yes. Okay. So this is all about stream editor. Okay. Just try it when you are practicing. So for those who know Linux, it will be easier. But for those who are not used to Linux, just make sure you practice. Okay. Then only you will get it.
Mhm.
This is stream editor. Now, if I want to display, like there are more pages in a file, there are number of pages. So I want to display page by page. Okay. If I want to display content file page by page. So there is a command called more command. More command. More, and then the file name. In one page you cannot see the file. You have to scroll, right?
Yeah.
So this. So I can use more here. More. -RC. Now see, it is displaying the 41%. It is displaying the 41%. It is displaying the first screen as of now, or the first page. Now, if you want to travel down, what you have to do? You have to press Control F. It will display the next page. See, it is displaying 82% now. Completed 82%. I want to display further, again Control F. Now I can see her whole file.
Mhm.
Okay. So one by one, it will display page by page. Only in the forward direction.
If at all you want to go back,
That's the catch. With the more command,
Tricky.
I cannot go back.
okay.
Okay. So with the more command, I cannot go back. What I have to do? I want to use one more command, or I can use this command. Sorry. I can use less command. Okay. So now with the less command, what happens? I can go
Less
backward.
pages.
Yeah, I can go forward as well. I can go backward as well. So if I press Control F here, it will go forward. Control
Mhm.
F. Okay. If I
Less
go,
page.
if I press Control B, it will go backward. Okay. So less, in the less command, we can traverse both ways, forward and backward. With the more command, we can traverse only forward. Okay.
Mhm.
Example like more dot bash rc of command will display only the first page of the file. to move forward. Press Control F. Cannot back. With this command. If you want to traverse both ways, you can use below command. Which command? Less command. So, less and then file name. Everyone got it till here? Difference between more and less command. With the more command, you cannot traverse both ways, only forward direction. Here you can traverse both ways. Now, if you want to display words alphabetically, alphabetically, so there is a command called sort command. Tell us. So let's say we have that file created Pankaj, right? So sort Now what this will do?
Write the sentences or words?
It
Words.
display in forward alphabetic order. Forward alphabetic order means A to Z. Okay, words, it will display the words. If you want to display in reverse order, if you want to display words in a file in reverse order, so sort -r. -r means reverse order, and pankaj.txt. So you can also play in Linux with whatever you want. These things like in GUI, like we can do these things using GUI. It is very easy to do with the GUI, but like most of the things, these things, like we cannot also do in the GUI, like Windows and all. But it provides you like how to display these things with particular alphabet in alphabetic order, with particular word, with particular character, all these things. You can do it in Linux. So sort command. So let's see one example for the sort also. Sort, say, pankaj.txt. So see, first B is there. B, blue, 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 blue. And then comes the R. First one, if you see the first line, blue, 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 and then R. A reverse order, it will go reverse. See, now the red starting from R comes first, and then the Z to A going this way. Okay. We haven't used cases of this command. I've not seen any, but yeah, they have given. So if you guys do find some use cases, then tell me. Okay.
Sometimes when you deal with huge logs, like I work in a company which is dealing with SMS.
Correct. Sort command is useful.
Instead of Excel, you can use it here. Excel will hang if you have like 20 million or 30 millions of data. But
Yeah.
in Linux, you can do it in a snap.
Yes. So if you want to display logs from like you are having logs, like there's a log, you can have error like E is there. You can sort. Now you can more, like you can elaborate this command some using some more catch. Like you can give the output of the cat command to the sort command. Okay. So what you can do here, you can say cat command is there and pankaj.txt was there. And then what I do, I'll give it like this pipe operator and then say sort. So simple example, what cat command we have seen, and then we have given it to the sort one. Okay, we have directly seen this result from the sort command also, but with sort we can use some more things. So in reverse order, it will display in reverse. That also we have seen. Let's see some more things with this. So sort. Now see what it will do. Can you see? Everything is converted from small to capital. Hello.
Yes, sir. We are here.
Yeah. So you can use sort command with as a in you can use a cat command and you can use the input of the cat command and give it to the sort command. You can use as you want. Using pipe operator. This is the pipe operator. Pipe is temporary memory location. But this pipe stores the output of the first command. Okay, that's why it is a temporary memory location. It acts as a temporary memory location. You can use different commands. Examples, cat is the cat pankaj.txt. Give this to sort. Then cat pankaj.txt sort -r. Cat pankaj.txt sort. After sorting, what to do? Traverse like logs. You can do a traversing, and also you can change the alphabets also. Either you can do traversing. With traversing, you can change the alphabetic, like from small to capital. You can change that also. So this, if these are in small alphabetic, so you can change it to capital. This. So for searching a word inside a file, you can have grep command. Okay. So how to use? Say grep. I used a word called danger. Word, or you can say string also. File name. Okay. And then say I want to search for danger word, and in which file I want to pankaj.txt. And if you want to ignore checking for uppercase or lowercase, if you want to ignore the checking of the upper and the lower case, before this danger, just put -i. It will ignore. Grep danger pankaj.txt. See, it highlighted the word danger. Okay. Now vi. Now if I do this, grab danger Pankaj. So now it is displaying only one danger. Where is the other danger? So now what you have to do? You have to ignore that. uppercase or lowercase. It should display all. Hyphen I. Now it is displaying both. Got it? Grab command. There's one more command. Who command. Who means who is logged in, who's the current user, Azure user. If I do a sudo su hyphen, now I type who. So what is the difference? Like as a normal user, if you type who, you will get only your user. What are you login with? Azure user, you will get that. But if some admin person is using a root user and he will type who, then it will display all the users in that Linux machine or server. Okay, it will display all. If I put hyphen h, then all the things like time, at what time the user logged in, what is the name of the user, at what time the user logged in, what are the things the user has done. Okay, all the things. So if I type a W, can you see? With a single W command, I get the number of user, what is the load average is used by the system, from which IP is logged in, what is the login time, what is the idle time. Now, if I want, say Pankaj is working, Jitendra is working, other people all are working. Now I want to check what is the idle time of Pankaj, whether he is working for 9 hours or not, how many hours he is working. I can check. Okay. So sometimes people do these type of things also. I can check how many time, like how for how many hours Pankaj has worked or Jiten has worked. I can keep an eye using a W command.
Micromanaging.
Yes, I can do micromanagement using W command. Okay.
Can we write a script automated so that every 2 minutes it triggers
Yes, 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 definitely.
to, to catch that?
Yeah. I think you want to do it with someone, right?
No, if that kind of micromanagement is done, to get out of that, you need to this.
Just get out of that company. Okay, so there are more dangerous commands here in the Linux. Okay, you can get each and every detail, what changes you have done, what changes to which file you have done, everything. So if you have done some blunder and you're hiding, you cannot be saved. So it will note each and everything. The server will note, and the root user or the admin user can see all the things. Similarly, some more command like users. See, as of now, displaying only one user, Azure user. Then there is who am I? So as of now, I'm the root user. So it is displaying root user. If I switch back, if I do an exit over here, who am I? Sorry, who am I? At once only, who am I? So Azure user. Earlier it was displaying root user, now it is displaying Azure user. All these commands. Now there is one more command. Now, if you want to know for how many times the system is up, what is the, so you can use uptime command. So system is up for like now. There is one user and load average is this. So load average should not be 1. It should be in 0.01, like 0.01, 0.10, 0.20, something like that. 1 should not come before the point. If the load average is coming 1, then your system is running at its full capacity. Okay. So load average should not come 1. It should be always less. 0.0, 0.10, 0.20, 0.40, something like that. Okay. So anyone, like if you want to see the load of the system, uptime command. Number of users logged in, one user is there, load average is this, all these things. Okay. And what is the load, this load average, first instance, second and third? So first one is like load average in the first minute, load average in the 5th minute, load average in the 15th minute. So these three things in the load average, where you can see 0.01, 0.00, 0.00, like this. Okay. Okay, I think there are one or two more commands. Tomorrow we'll start with shell scripting. Okay, 1 or 2 days we'll take with shell scripting, and then the Linux will be completed. You can practice.